My name is Tom Ovenden and I'm a PhD researcher at the University of Stirling and a data analyst for forest research based here in the UK. And in May this year I was lucky enough to visit the mountain forests of Switzerland to collaborate with Dr. Alessandro Potero at the Swiss Federal Institute of Forest, Snow and Landscape Research for a short scientific visit funded by the European Forest Institute. We were interested in trying to develop a method that would allow us to utilise national forest inventory style datasets to answer questions relating to how mixed species forests respond to extreme drought events relative to monocultures, or how forest management might help mitigate negative impacts of drought on tree growth. Some of the most economically and ecologically important species in Europe include European larch and Norway spruce, so understanding how these and other species have responded to historic drought events will help us adapt our forests to be more resilient to the challenges of a changing climate. Following the development of what we believe to be a robust methodological approach, we found evidence that across all species and experimental sites, mean annual volume increment was on average higher in monocultures compared with mixed species stands under both drought and non-drought conditions. We also documented a beneficial effect of thinning on stand growth rate during drought, but only if thinning was carried out relatively close to when the drought occurred. This latter result was broadly in keeping with the findings of other recent work, though these results are preliminary and should be interpreted with caution as this work is still ongoing. Thanks to all the people and organisations that made this trip possible, and keep an eye out for future updates on this work.